Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to turn off Windows security real-time protection on your Windows 11 computer guys. For that, go to search menu and type Windows security. Open it. Select the virus threat protection, click on it and scroll down virus threat protection settings, click on manage settings and real-time protection locates and stop malwares from installing or running on your device. You can turn off this setting for a short time before it turns back on automatically. I will say don't turn it off guys for installing third parties games and softwares. Why means after turning off you will be facing more problems after that. That's why don't do that. Real quick you turn it on and that will be good guys. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.